Hi guys, my name is Farhan and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can recover your Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. If your account has been hacked and you are stuck with two-step verification issue, you can still back your account. To make sure to watch this video till the end. Hi guys, first of all you need to open Chrome browser. Then click on search bar and type here sign in. Sign in. You will land here. Click on Google account sign in. You will land here. Sign into your account which you want to recover. Now click on next. Here you need to put your last password. I will tell you how you can see your old password in your device. First of all, you need to open your mobile setting, scroll down and find privacy option. Now scroll down and click on auto fill service from Google. You will see here many type of option. Click on Google Password Manager. You will see here google.com. Click on google.com. Enter your screen lock or pattern and fingerprint. You will see here many type of account. You need to click on here or here. You need to copy your password. After copy your password, go back to this page and paste here your password. Now click on next. You will see here your password was changed less than 1 hour. Click on forget password. Here you can see your enter the last password you remember using this Google account. You will type here your last password. Now click on next. You can see here you can update your password here. Now click on update password and create a strong password here. Click on confirm password and enter same password here. Now click on save password. Change password. Now click on continue. Friends, you can see here our Gmail account has been successfully recovered without phone number and recovery email. Now you can add your recovery phone number and set home address to secure your account. I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks you for watching.